Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to reset N26 account password. So you could simply launch N26 bank app, or you can go to their official website. For now, I'm going to launch Google, and then I'm gonna go to N26. From here, let's go ahead and tap on the official website link of N26. Once you come to the official website, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. From here, simply tap on the option of Login. Now, once you come over here, if you have forgotten your password, you can see the option of Forgot. Tap on it. Now continue by entering your email address. Then tap on Reset Password. Now over here you can see that a link will be sent to your email. Make sure that you check that. So on your email, you will be given instructions on how you could recover your password. Or else you can simply tap on Contact Customer Support. Once you come here, you can see instructions on how to change your password. You can also go through how to reset my password. So you could simply follow these easy steps in order to reset your N26 account password. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.